Now coming to the most important attraction.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.
प्रोसेसर है इंटेल i7 8th जनरेशन। मैं